So this is how you do my secret recipe. First, you've got to put it down, and you have to put the grill on minimum heat. Then season generously. Then let it sit for 7 minutes. So it's been 7 minutes. Get the cedar. This is my steak. You gotta flip it over. Hear that sear sound. Beautiful. Okay. Now, again, season generously. And let it sit for another 7 minutes. It's perfect. Look at it. It's right there. Let's see it. Medium rare. Don't know if y'all can see it, but pretty good. Well, bye.